You have two ways to unpair a Logitech device from the Unifying Receiver that it is paired to. The first one needs an installation of Logitech Unifying Software, and the second one is a web service. The Logitech Unifying Software is a small free app available to download from this web page. It is just a 4 MB file, so you should be able to download and install it quickly. Once you have it installed, connect the Logitech Unifying Receiver to the computer and open the Unifying software. Click on the Advanced button at the bottom left corner. Now you can see the devices connected to this Unifying Receiver. If I want to unpair the mouse, I just need to click on this button. Now, before you click, you need to understand that there is no confirmation for the unpairing process. Once you click the Unpair button, the device will be removed from this receiver. Now the mouse is unpaired from this receiver. If you want to pair the device again or pair another device in its place, just click on the receiver name and click on the Pair a New Device button. Now the software will guide you through the pairing process to pair the device with the Unifying Receiver. To reconnect this mouse, I just had to switch it off and switch it on again. You can see that the mouse got paired again with the receiver. Now, for the second method, we will use a web service offered by Logitech to unpair the mouse and the Unifying Receiver. The address is logiwebconnect.com. As I mentioned in my previous video on checking the battery level of Logitech devices, this website needs you to give access to the Logitech Unifying Receiver. The permission will be asked once you click on the Select Receiver button. Now, select the receiver from the list and click Connect. You will see the list of devices paired with the current Logitech Unifying Receiver. To unpair any device, just click on the cross button at the right side of the tile containing its name. Once you click, you will see a confirmation message, and if you select Yes Unpair, the mouse will be removed from the Unifying Receiver. Now the mouse pointer is unresponsive when I move the mouse, indicating a successful unpairing process. So, these are the two ways to unpair devices from the Logitech Unifying Receiver. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching this video. Have a happy day.